we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new tank rebuild kit in here. Not the entire tank, but the flush portion. And you can see here Kohler. So it's Kohler genuine part. And of course, Kohler toilet. You can buy other, brands that make this, but we like to use the original parts. So anyways, this is the 85406 flush valve kit. And comes with the flush valve, new flapper, comes with the tank bolts, gaskets, everything. Problem they were having is they were flushing and then the water was dumping, a little bit of time leaking out, and then it would fill again and then drain and fill. Usually that's a flapper. The homeowner replaced the flapper, didn't resolve it, so then you go down. Next step, of course, is the flush valve. So there's all the components it comes with. And additionally, we took a Fluid Master 400A fill valve. The other one was in pretty good shape. I mean, it looked pretty new, but we're building the tank, and outside of the handle and lever assembly, the flush handle there, and then the gray plastic lever. There's no reason not to replace it. It's $7 over at Home Depot, so we just replace it. So anyways, we've got it adjusted correctly. So we're gonna put the tank lid on there real quick just to make sure that it clears this gray adjuster. This is what adjusts the float level. Put the tank lid on there and make sure that's correct. Otherwise, we got to pull that back out and lower it down some. But you can see we're adjusted right now. The water's filling up to where it should. Right now, we don't see any leaking down there. So you'll have to monitor this. Sorry, I don't have my flashlight with me, but it's just 3 tank bolts, and you can see in there. There's one in the very back, and then of course there's one over on that side, and then one on this side. And you'll have to monitor underneath. You get any water, if you can feel the bolts right down here. You can feel that. And of course, let me check again. Got some water down there when I was taking it apart. And so you can feel down here, or just watch the floor. Or additionally, you can put some paper towels down there and monitor it. If you see anything going on, let us know. We'll come out and take care of it right away. We also had to replace the supply line. It's a brand new 3/8 by 7/8 by 20-inch braided stainless steel by Fluid Master, and so that's good. So you got a brand new supply line, brand new fill valve, brand new flush valve, brand new flapper, and they wanted to keep the toilet. Reason for the rebuild is it matches the other fixtures in the bathroom, the color, like a rose color. And this valve was replaced at some point. We didn't replace it, but it's a quarter turn on, quarter turn off. So that's a nice valve. And so anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.